What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Happy Memorial Day to everybody celebrating or acknowledging the holiday here. What I want to talk about in today's video is the fact that because Memorial Day is on a Monday, we're acknowledging it on a Monday. We are seeing the markets close today, which means they've been closed since Friday afternoon, Saturday, Sunday, and today, Monday. It won't be open until Tuesday morning. And what that means is we're having a bit of consolidation taking place within the stock market and kind of a lot of these cryptos because people aren't seeing it. But we do have some good news here as we're starting to see breaks above major resistances, key levels in a lot of the major cryptos, which could cause buy-ins as early as today. And I'm excited to go over it with you, specifically Solana and also on XRP. You can see the consolidation that's taking place. Now, besides just XRP and Solana that we're looking at, we also need to look at Ethereum here, which is starting its ascent to the upside here, as well as Bitcoin, which is consolidating for the most part here. It's been very difficult to draw or find some sort of kind of factor, but I'm starting to see maybe some sort of technical indicator, some sort of uptrend here, which is exciting because this also could yield a nice break. You already see where I'm going with this. So I'm excited to discuss the 4-hour symmetrical triangle on Bitcoin. And we'll also be looking at XRP's symmetrical triangle, as well as Solana's 4-hour break, which could be as early as right now. If we can close above this little resistance right here in green, then I'm all in, and we will be entering a copy trade on FAIRDESK. And for those that don't know who FAIRDESK is, I've partnered with them to post copy trades. Basically, instead of, you can also get my Patreon, which has trades posted before they even hit FAIRDESK, but FAIRDESK is a way for you guys to see all my trades transparent and follow along with them so that you don't even have to be as active. So different opportunities if you want more of an active or more of a one-on-one experience, just more Crypto TV. You can get Patreon. FAIRDESK offers a way for you guys to get a more passive approach, which is super cool. Crypto TV right here. You can go to my copy trades and you can join it here. We have 3 people so far that have joined. We have a 100% win rate, which is nuts here. And we should have another one real soon, another trade of profit very, very, very soon. So make sure to join FAIRDESK, link down in the description. Beyond that, they also have a sign-up bonus for those that are new to FAIRDESK. I'm sure a lot of you guys are new. You can earn 100, 2,000, 65, even 100K in futures bonus, free trading money, which is super cool by literally depositing into your account. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, to start off today's video, things look really, really, really good. Like we are getting dangerously close to seeing the breaks that are much needed for us to see movement within a lot of these cryptos. As you know, we've been tracking patiently technical indicators that have been forming for a very long time. Keep in mind, we have been very patient on the bull flag that has formed on Ethereum here. Major flag pull up, lower high, lower low consolidation that's taking place here. And as you can see, once we confirmed breach outside of this price floor right here, this moving average right at this resistance level here, we saw a major explosion to the upside here. So being patient has guaranteed us a buy-in opportunity of pretty much perfect profit. You can see we rallied up almost 30%, which is huge wins and huge gains. Well, that rally might continue, which is exciting. And the next run from here would be all the way up to about 41.53. There's a lot of resistance. But the reason I'm telling you this is because the consolidation, the healthy consolidation that's taking place is starting to leach out into other cryptocurrencies. Besides Ethereum being patient and buying in and making a ton of profit, we have a similar pattern forming on some other cryptos. For example, looking at XRP, here's another prime breakout opportunity that we've been waiting for patiently. You can see we fell into this technical indicator here, and I just want to draw it a little bit bigger for everybody to see. And you can see we fell into this one here. We fell in and are now forming a higher low, lower high symmetrical triangle. As we fill in this gap here, we are creating newer highs or newer lows than before and lower highs than before. This at some point is going to come and they are going to touch each other and meet and decide which direction we're going to break out in. And when it does, that's when we'll have that buy-in opportunity. You can already see the consolidation that's taking place right now. We have a confirmed resistance and a confirmed price floor. So if we can confirm closure, I'm going to say above 55 cents here. I know, we could break out of this earlier here, but ideally we want to get above this moving average for us to really see a significant rally. If we can close above that, I would highly expect to see us continue in a pretty large run to the upside here. Vice versa, we confirm closure below support. support, it's gonna correct, and we're gonna see a dump. But ideally, the focus would be confirmation above this kind of cluster. You can see the moving average is slowly coming down here, and at some point it is going to be retesting and playing around with this price ceiling in yellow here. And if we break through here, this is going to be a big problem zone. So the focus is above this circle that I drew, above 54.5, 54 cents and change, would be a key buying opportunity to then anticipate a rally to the upside. And that's truly my focus, and that's what I'm waiting for here. Now, as for Solana, we're going to be buying into Solana probably as early as, 4 hours from right now. We just confirmed closure of this candle just 2 minutes ago here. We confirmed this closure, and you can see we are breaking out of a major bull flag here. We have a major flag pull followed by a lower high, lower low pattern, and we are rebounding off moving average right here. Problem is, I've drawn a price ceiling, a green resistance, which is holding up. We've used it as support in the past. Now we're using it as a resistance. We need to break through this price ceiling right here for us to buy in and long to the upside here. So we have confirmation of that already. Things look really good for a break to the upside here. However, until we confirm closure outside of this resistance, there's always that chance of correction here, and that's the main focus. Now, we just confirmed closure of a candle. We had a lot of green, which is exciting here. So the focus now is confirmation above resistance. If we can break above this price ceiling, that's when we can long in. Now, hopefully, we don't see a major candle. Like if we see a major green candle like this, then I might buy in before the next 4 hours here. But if we can just have a small little rally like we're already seeing, you can already see the 1, 2, 3, 4, almost starting a fifth candle of continuation here. We just have a small little candle closure, then I will buy in with the anticipation of a nice rally to the upside. With us trading flush at 50 on the RSI here, this gives us tons of room on the upside to see a rally to the upside here. My only concern is possible rejection followed by correction. So wait just at least a couple of hours or, an hour or two to see where we start to pan out. If we're like right over here, an hour, 2 hours in, then there's a good chance we'll be able to buy in and long. If we start to see the rejection here, well, then we're going to have to wait until we breach this price ceiling for us to buy in and long on Solana. So I'll be paying attention to this today for the continuation of today and entering some copy trades, hopefully, because I've been waiting patiently to enter some copy trades on Solana and some other cryptos. And it might be as early as today, which is very exciting to me. So prepare yourself with FAIRDESK with that link down in the description. As for Ethereum, I'm not even paying attention to this. Things look a little too wonky for me to know what in the world is actually going on here. Maybe there's a small uptrend, but as for resistance, I can't really figure that out. So we're going to skip over that. Bitcoin is actually looking really nice. I actually really, really, really like the way this has been forming here. I'm going to move this up a little higher. We're going to include the wicks. I'm going to move this here to include the supports. And now we have a very solid symmetrical triangle. This is huge. This is good news. This is going to break as early as today as well. So not only will we have, well, actually, that's a lie. A Bitcoin could consolidate. Let me just get this. It could consolidate as late as tomorrow. The latest tomorrow, but there's a good chance that this is going to fill out as early as today. You can already see the higher low pattern. We're creating these higher lows and we're creating these lower highs. And at some point, this is going to come to a position where they're both going to collide, which is right around now. And the decision is going to have to be made, whether that's a break up or a break down. You can also see what's even more perfect on Bitcoin is the healthy flat line on the 50 on the RSI. So we have tons of room now primed for a pump or primed for a dump. So get ready for a Bitcoin one. That's on the radar, as well as Solana and XRP. So Bitcoin is going to come in as number 1. Solana is number 2. XRP is number 3. But these can all break as early as today, which is very exciting. So pay attention to them because Solana's in a bull flag and can very easily break bullish. And then we have XRP in a symmetrical triangle. This might take a little bit longer. But then we have Bitcoin ready and willing to pop as well. So we're going to be seeing that as early as today, and that's very exciting to me. As for the S&P, consolidation has taken over. We're waiting for some more correction to continue forward from here. But with all of that being said, smash the like button. Make sure to join FAIRDESK with the link down in the description below, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace. Happy Memorial Day.